on Education, Defence Studies and Public Health 2025 aims to serve as a platform to deliberate on the roadmap, foster collaboration and define contributions.
A big thank you to all the dignitaries. Thank you so much for joining us here.
The Prime Minister has given a clarion call that Viksit Bharat is possible only with Puratan Bharat. Without Puratan Bharat, Viksit Bharat is not possible. And that's the reason why I quoted the shloka of Goddess Durga. Sahasra Shastra Hare Devi Narayani Namostute.
Any innovation which works in between an academic institute and between an industry always finds the right pathway for itself, and Government of India does promote this. Our R&D is approved by DSIR. So when your DSIR insists that any grant it gives you, it has to be a combination between academia and the industry. We also take a lot of students into our company. The reason is they learn from us, they learn how the industry functions.
जब बात हम एजुकेशन की करते हैं, हायर एजुकेशन की करते हैं, तो मतलब हम अपने युवाओं की बात कर रहे हैं। तो जो हमारा युवा है वो इस देश की रीढ़ है। मतलब ये कि देश के विकास के लिए युवाओं का बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण योगदान होता है। और आप देखिए ना कि दुनिया में जितने भी बदलाव हुए हैं वो युवाओं ने ही किए हैं।
Education system teaches us reactively but not proactively, and when we talk about proactively, we talk about development, a holistic development, and how we can do that. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Socrates said something, and I quote, "Education is the kindling of a flame, but not the filling of a vessel." What do we mean by that? Kindling of a flame here means gaining knowledge, having information, filling our brain up with knowledge and information. But when we talk about filling up a vessel, we actually talk about how to think of oneself, how to develop ideas.
These young girls or even boys, they have to play multiple roles. But how do we teach this stress management at the education, the beginning level, take care about the mental health, that this is the difference between the stress and the pressure. So how do we do that?
I can give you some practical observation that I've had. I'm not sure this is the right answer. I think, as sir said, कि हम लोग भूल गए हैं कि गप्पे कैसे मारते हैं, हम लोग भूल गए हैं कि हम टाइम कैसे।
Rightly said that success doesn't comes by chance. I repeat, success doesn't comes by chance. It comes with a change, and everybody sitting under this roof, we are the change makers. So what I believe in, what is missing in the industry, or the gap I feel, is the communication.